Yes, I got 100 sales on Etsy in my first month. Okay, to be honest with you, I did it in 32 days, but it sounds better to say in 1 month. Anyway, today I'm going to share with you the secret sauce that I used to get 100 sales this fast. Do a favor to yourself and watch the whole video because it's packed with valuable information and I have something for you in the end. Let's begin. First, let me make it clear that I won't talk about winning niches, good SEO or mockups. For this video, I will assume that they are obvious by now. Okay, so the first and most important ingredient that I use in the secret sauce is to start taking Etsy seriously. I want you to create as many listings as you possibly can. I know that your first listings are going to be bad, but if you never create, then you won't know what works for your shop and what doesn't. The more you create, the better your listings will get over time. Treat it as a skill. A skill needs time and effort to be mastered. You literally have 40 free listings when you get started, link in the description, and I can actually see the shops that you are opening. I haven't seen a shop with more than 11 listings. I don't care if your listings are bad. At least use these 40 listings to get your shop some traction. They're free and you have nothing to lose. But 40 listings aren't that many. We need to get to 3 digits at least to see some good results. If you sell digital products like wall art, you should aim to reach over 1000 listings in your shop. In my first month I created 175 listings. Would a beginner like you finish their first month with so many listings? Probably not, but you should aim to get at least those 40 listings. 99.9% of the time, we need to have as many listings as we possibly can. But how do we create so many listings? If you sell digital products, save your first designs and your mockups as templates to speed up your next creations. That's what I do. For every product that I have in my shop, there's a template ready for me to save me a lot of time. If you sell physical products, let's say you make handbags, what you can do is to sell the materials that you use. Sell zippers and leather, or you can make something easier like a wallet and sell it for a lower price than your handbags. But why we should do that, Thanos? Because it will help you get more sales, and more sales mean more traction your shop will get over time. Basically, we want to have some listings in our shop that are way cheaper than our main products. Because they're cheaper, they could drive us more sales. When you want to create a new listing on Etsy, copy an existing listing. Don't create listings from scratch because it takes ages. Also, you need to watch this video next to help you create more listings. The second ingredient that I use is to lower my prices. Yeah, I know that it stinks, but trust me on this one. If I had my regular pricing in my listings, I wouldn't have gotten 100 sales in my first month. Maybe 30 sales if I was lucky. I cut my profit in half and I was able to achieve that. Remember, more sales equals more traction to your shop. We don't care about making a huge profit at the start. Your profit should be $2 or $3. Etsy has a new tool now about pricing. Use it and check where your listings are priced compared to others, and go lower than them. Now that we started to create more and have lower prices, we should get some traction and a couple of sales to our shop. But we are so far from getting to 100 sales. And it's time for the third ingredient. Treat your customers and your potential customers like your crush. As soon as they reach out to us, we want to reply to them as fast as we can. I want you to be active. Check regularly throughout the day to see if you got any notifications. But it's not just that. We need to fulfill any wish of the customer or the potential customer. If they want you to make a new design, you're going to make the design. And fast. This happened to me actually when I had 4 or 5 sales and someone asked me to create some designs that I didn't have in my shop. I know that's boring and kind of frustrating when this happens because you are doing the work for a couple of dollars, but I was so happy that it happened because it meant that my shop was getting some traction. I created the designs as fast as I could and that resulted in a happy customer and more sales under my name. When you're at the start of your journey, you need to get the most out of what Etsy throws at you. Be happy that it shows your shop over others. Also make sure to talk to your customers after their purchase. Thank them, track if they got their files, and let them know when their order will ship at their home. Make sure that they have the best customer service. Trust me, they will appreciate it. But we're not doing this just to get more sales. There is something even more powerful, and it's the fourth and final ingredient of the secret sauce. It's the 5-star reviews. For sure you have purchased at least once in your life online. When choosing a product, aren't you checking at the reviews first? If the product has a lot of 5-star reviews, your chances of buying it dramatically increase. The same happens on Etsy. If your store has a few or no reviews, the customer is more likely to buy from another shop with a lot of reviews. So the more 5-star reviews you have, the greater the chances of increasing your sales. So far in my new shop I have only 5-star reviews and it wasn't because of luck. I made the customers give me 5-star reviews and they were happy to do it. I should make a paid course about this, but I will share my techniques for free in the next video. So hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications because the next video is a banger. See you next week.